Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the easy way to catch the Sulkowsky Morpho in Heartopia. First, this butterfly can spawn all time, and then almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow. But there's one important thing: you must use the inflatable insect attractor. Without it, it won't appear. And to get this inflatable insect attractor, you can buy it at the NPC Naniwa. But first you must reach level 4 at the insect catching hobby. And then here's the trick. First, just go to an area where a lot of insect usually spawns. Make sure you see multiple insects flying around you. For example, I choose at the forest area over here. And then after that, just use your insect attractor. Just use the inflatable insect attractor like this, tap on use. And then next, just start catching insect like usual. Just keep catching them continuously. And then after around 1 minute, you will see a notifications that saying specialty insect refresh like this. And after that, just go back to the insect attractor, and then mostly you will get the Sulkowsky Morpho like this, and then just catch it like this, and then you will get the Sulkowsky Morpho like this. And okay, that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.